What's up, babes? So finally we are doing the long awaited nail tutorial as promised. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my press on nails here at home and how I get them to last such a long time. Quick disclaimer, I am not a professional. I simply use and do what works for me when it comes to my press on nails. So if you want your nails to last about 2 or 3 weeks, make sure you're following these directions step by step and using the products that I personally recommend. And now that that's out the way, let's go ahead and jump into the things that you're going to need. You will need nail clippers, a 100 to 180 nail file, acrylic nail clipper, polish and color of your choice, super glue, and yes, I said super glue, sis, full cover nail tips, gel top coat, nail drill, and an LED UV lamp. So now that we have all of our essentials, we are ready to get started. So you always want to make sure your nails are nice and clean. You want to make sure they're nicely groomed, they're clipped. And now I'm just taking this nail drill and pretty much filing the nails. And this is a soft nail bit, so there will be no damage to my natural nails. And that is pretty much it for the prep on my nails. We're moving on to picking out the nails. So here I have my little nails caddy, and I pretty much have the natural color as well as clear nails. So the nails that I'm using in today's video are the natural color nails. I am going to go ahead and create another video using the clear nails, but in today's video we're using the natural nails. Don't be scared or alarmed by me using super glue, you guys. This glue is actually made for nails. You want to make sure you're applying a good amount of glue, not too much, but also not too little. So once you've applied the glue to your natural nail, you're then going to pick up the press-on nail and apply it to the press-on nail as well. So make sure there's both glue on your natural nail as well as the press-on nail. And here I am just showing you once again the technique that I use to apply my press-on nails. It is so important to make sure you apply the nails correctly and hold them firmly and apply enough glue because you do not want any air bubbles. So this is pretty much what all of the nails look like once applied. So now that the nails are all on, we are ready to move on to filing the nail and getting them in the shape that we want. Now, if you purchase the nails from AliExpress, which is where I purchased mine, both clear and the natural nails, they have so many different options, you guys. I do like these longer nails, but sometimes I do want to cut just a little bit of it off. So that's what I'm doing in today's video, taking my acrylic nail clipper and just clipping a little bit of that edge off. So now that they are my desired length and the desired shape that I want, I did go ahead and do filing and all of that off camera, you guys. It was really hard to kind of get that angle on camera because I am very picky when it comes to my nail shape. So now for my polish, I am taking OPI, I believe in manicures, which is this super beautiful blue color, you guys, perfect for spring. So I'm just going to go ahead and do 2 coats of that on all of my nails. I get so many questions from you guys about how I get my nails to last such a long time. And this is pretty much what I do step by step. So if you want yours to last, I cannot stress that enough in this video. Simply follow the directions and do exactly what I tell you to do. I am going in with a little bit of alcohol just to remove any leftover residue from the nails so that when I'm applying my gel top coat, it goes on super shiny and super smooth. So the top coat that I'm using is a gel polish that does require a UV LED lamp. So if you're not into your nails looking super shiny or you just want something super quick and super fast, you simply can go ahead and just apply a regular polished top coat on top. But if you want that salon finish and your nails to look super shiny, I definitely recommend you to use a gel top coat. It is everything, you guys. So I do also want to add that I do typically wait a whole day. So basically I do my nails at night and then the next day I'll wake up and apply my gel top coat. The thing is, when you're doing the jelly sandwich method, you want to make sure that the regular polish is completely 100% dry, because if not, your nail polish will wrinkle. But like I said, I typically wait a whole day just so I can be on the safe side and I get no wrinkles at all. So once my gel top coat is applied, I am going to go right into my UV lamp and allow my nails to dry for 90 seconds. I feel like 90 seconds just really allows me to get that hard gel manicure and them to last a super long time with no chipping and no peeling. Now, once I'm done, I do go in with a little bit of alcohol sometimes just to make sure everything is nice and shiny and there's no dullness. You want to go in with some cuticle oil. I actually did not do it in this video, but that is pretty much it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. I get so many questions from you guys about how I do my nails at home. I was so excited to film this video for you guys, and I promise if you follow the steps and also check out my description bar below for the items and all of the products that I use, your manicure will last a super long time as well. I love you guys so much, and until next time, bye. Mwah.